Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to set up Wix Bookings, how to add services and accept payments on Wix. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for wix.com. That's right, and then you have to log into your account. Okay, so once you're logged in, you have now your sites right here, the sites that you have created. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a new site for this video. So you can click on this create new site at the top right of your screen. Okay, so you can also select an existing site to customize. Now click on the create new site at the top. So we have studio template, studio blank canvas, studio sitemap and wireframes, or we can also use the Wix editor. So I'm just going to use the studio template, and then right, you just have to choose the template and start creating your website. So you just have to search for a template. So for example, bookings, and here you'll be able to see different templates that we can use for our booking page. So for example, this one, so you can click any of this template, and then here we have the desktop view for this template. And don't worry, all of the templates that you can see here on Wix are all functional. So it means that they're functional on desktop view, tablet view, and the mobile view. Okay, so here we have the different services. So if you want to use this template, you just have to simply click on the edit template at the top right of your screen. Okay, so this one, so you just have to click on the edit template at the top right. Now let's go back to the template section. Okay, so for example, you would like to search for car repair. Okay, so we have here different templates for this kind of service. Okay, so we have here bicycle company, we have a car detailing services, so it's up to you what kind of template do you need. So for this video, I think I am going to use this one. Okay, and then click on the edit template option at the top right of your screen, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so right here at the right side, you have the preview of the different templates. So now for this for your homepage, we have this template. So from there, you can now start customizing this template. So for this video, I'm just going to highlight the services and how to add a new service for your bookings. Okay, so let's start by changing some of the titles on your homepage. So for example, you would like to change this to, or change the title. So you just have to click on it, highlight all of the text, and then type out your own words. So for example, nails, and then you can change the media right here. You can change the color, you can change the buttons color, so it's up to you. But for this video, we're not going to focus on those things because we can actually do that later on. So for example, this one, let me just show you some of the things that we can change here. That's right, so here you just go to the settings when you go and click on the book now option. Okay, that's right, so when you clicked on settings, as you can see, you can change the text. Okay, and then you can select where these buttons will link to. Okay, so next thing that we should do is to go to the pages. So on the pages section, just scroll down and find the services under the booking pages. So just click on the services. That's right, and then here you'll be able to see here now the different services that we can offer to our customers. But of course, we have to customize this one because this is not the service that we are offering. So you just have to click on it and then click on the button, and you'll be directed to your services dashboard. So for the booking services, we have the services right here, and then if you would like to create your own, you just have to select all of these services and then click on the more action option. So this one at the top, and then you just have to delete everything. Okay, just delete everything that you can see here. That's right, and then click on this box that you have understand deleted items cannot be recovered. Okay, now you have to create your own service. So you can start from scratch. You have your group trainings, online meetings, consultation. You have your weekly group sessions, recurring class. So it's up to you. What kind of service do you offer? So I'm just going to, start from scratch. And then here for the service type, we have appointment. And then for the service details, we have to give this service a name. So for example, classic manicure. And then you can add here an image, so you can basically upload your own image or use media from Wix. So for example, we are going to use media from Wix, so you just have to use the search bar and then search for a media that you need for the service. So for example, this one, and then click on add to page. Okay, now that we have an image for this service, we can add a tagline, but this one is optional, as well as the description. But for the duration of the service, you can put it right here. And then if you would like to add a buffer time, just type out the buffer time. And now for the price and payment, you can choose how clients can pay for the service. So we have per session with a plan, or per session or with a plan. It's a combination of the two. And now for the price per session, we have fixed price, custom price, and the varied pricing. So you just have to input right here the amount. Okay, and then the payment preferences, we have entire amount online, entire amount in person, or both. Now for the membership and packages, you can create your plan right here. Okay, and then you have here now your location. So we have the business address, then we also have a choice for the video conferencing, and then you have to assign this to a staff. So you just have to select all. Okay, and then you can add a cover image and a photo gallery if you want to. Okay, for the booking preferences, to take online bookings, you have to take note that you have to upgrade to a business and e-commerce premium plan so that you can take bookings here on Wix. Okay, and then after checking everything, you just have to click on the save option, and we are going to preview this service and try if we can book an appointment. Okay, so just going to close this section. Okay, so again, you have to upgrade to a plan so that you can take bookings on Wix. Now just click on this preview option at the top right and try to click on the book now option. That's right. And then here you just have to schedule appointment, so just click on it. That's right. And then a client or a customer can choose the available dates and the available time. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.